Okay, good morning students. Today we will discuss an important problem in ellipse chapter. Say, now we have to find an equation of an ellipse if focus, eccentricity and equation of the directrix is given to you. This is a very important problem for 4 marks. See how to find the equation of ellipse if eccentricity, focus and equation of the directrix is given to you. Suppose see, first let me write the problem. Find the equation of the ellipse. Equation of the ellipse whose focus is 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity c equal to 2 by 3 and directrix directrix is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. See, this is the information given to you. You have to find the equation of the ellipse, the focus given, eccentricity given, and the equation of the directrix is given to you. You draw a rough sketch, the ellipse. See, this is the center. This is a center. This is A dash, B dash. Okay. Now see here. This is x-axis, x dash, y dash. See, the focus is given to you. You write the given data. What is given? Focus, that is s equal to 1 comma minus 1. See, this is focus. This is a rough figure, 1 minus 1. Eccentricity equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Equation of directrix equal to x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix. See, this is our directrix. That is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. See, you take any point P on the ellipse. Join these two SP. See here, let Px comma y be any point on the ellipse. You write the given information. Okay. Next, you draw a perpendicular on the directrix. What is the PM? PM is the perpendicular distance from P to the directrix. So I have written the given information to you. See, for any conic, you know the definition SP by PM equal to E. That is for every conic. So in the conic, suppose if E equal to 1, that is parabola, less than 1, ellipse, greater than 1, that is hyperbola. So we are doing the problem on ellipse. See, SP equal to E into PM. This is the condition or definition of our ellipse. See, let us find SP. What is SP? SP is the distance between the focus to the point P which is on the ellipse. SP, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square under root. It is distance between 2 points under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. SP equal to E by M. Or you can write sp square equal to e square pm square. Okay, sp square equal to e square pm square. Okay, now write here sp square equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Take expand here x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2. This is sp square's value. Okay, sp square is equal to e square into pm square. Now let us find the pm. What is pm? You know, I already given about pm. What is pm? The perpendicular distance between the point P to the M, which is on the directrix. See here, pm. Already you know, in your previous intermediate, we studied the perpendicular distance d. What is d here? D equal to ax1 plus dy1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. It is modulus because the length is always positive. Using that formula, you find the pm. How to find pm? Here, see, this is a point p x comma y. This is a point. Let it be the directrix x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. See, we have to find the distance pm. You know, x plus y plus 2 modulus under root of the quotients 1 here 1. See, under root of 1 square plus 1 square or x plus y plus 2 by under root. This is the pm value. Now let me find the pm square. What is pm square? Squaring on both sides, which is equal to x plus y plus 2 whole square by root 2 square, which is equal to x plus y plus 2 whole square by 2. Root 2 whole square means root 2 into root 2. Now, what is our ellipse? sp square equal to e square pm square. But sp square equal to e square pm square. But we know, see, using this condition, we can solve the equation of the ellipse. See, I have no space here. Let me rub here. This is a very important problem, which we will give you for 4 marks in our public examination. In this question, in this chapter, we will get 6 marks. 6 marks. See, sp square. What is sp square here? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to e square. Our e is equal to 2 by 3. It means 4 by 9. 4 by 9 into pm square. X plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus 2 whole square by 2. Okay. Now see, 2 goes to 2 times, which is equal to 2 by 9 into x plus y plus 2 whole square. See here, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 2 by 9 into, you expand x plus y plus 2. You know the formula of x plus y plus z or a plus b plus c whole square. Let me expand here. X square plus y square, this is 2, 4 plus 2xy plus 4y plus 2 2s are 4x. Once you check here, x square, y square plus z square means a square, okay. 2ab, 2xy, 4y plus 2zx means 4x. Okay, everything is okay. Now here cross multiplication. See, 9 times of x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 2 times of x square plus y square plus Okay, plus 4 plus 2xy plus 4y plus 4x. Now, let me multiply. What I will have? 9x square plus 9y square. 9 2s are 18x. Here, 9 2s are 18y plus 18. Here, on right hand side, you multiply with 2. 2x square plus 2y square plus 8. 4xy plus 8y plus 8x. See, now we have to simplify. First, 9x square here minus 2x square. Transform all the RHS terms to the left hand side. Next, 9y square, here minus 2y square, here minus 18x, here x term minus 8x, 18y, here 18y means 8y, here minus y, plus 18 minus 8 equal to 0. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, 9x square, 2x square written, 9y square, 9x square, okay, 9x square I have written, 2x square written, 9y square, okay, 2y square. Once you see, okay, 18x minus 18x, here 8x, both are written, plus 18y, okay, this one is also written, here minus 8y, okay, that one also. Next one, plus 18 minus 8, we forgot the 4xy term. So you write here minus 4xy. Once you check, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms. I have written 11 terms. Here also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, everything. 9 minus 2, 7x square. Here also 7y square. 18 minus 8, both are minus. So that is 26x. 18 rupees minus 8 rupees, that is 10. 10y minus 4xy plus 10 equal to 0. Once you check the answer here, 7x square minus 4xy minus 26 plus 10y plus 10 equal to 0. See, this is the equation of the ellipse if focus, eccentricity and the directrix of the that ellipse is given to you. Okay, thank you.